brother will die!
Let her go! Any last words?
He should have given us the rice. Now
Let's
you'll
see if
burn
this
for it.
Onryo bleeds.
Stay back, Onryo!
Sanjuro! I'm coming!
Wait!
Sanjuro! No!
He's gone. We have to go.
I can't! My brother was all I had!
You'll burn with him.
He was my only family. I'd rather die than be without him.
I understand.
Go! This is my choice. Please, let me be with my brother. I'm not leaving, but you should.
Find me, boy.
Saito gave us a mission. Find and ensnare the Onryo. I won't hold back. Prepare yourself.
Order garrison. This should be where the warrior's friend is being held.
Here it comes! Something there?
Let's get this over with!
You are too small to be a danger. Unkillable! We pick you were with Sensei Takahashi. What were you discussing? The end of the only way. He is a fool. Give me the names of Sensei Takashi's recruits. Make your death quick. Never. You won't be so brave when faced with the pirate.
Prisoner must be the bowyer's friend, Sanji.
Quick, help me. I'll make it worth your time.
Let's get you out of here. Ran the bowyer told me about you.
That woman never forgets a debt.
Can you walk?
I can do more than walk.
Nothing.
I can fight.
Spirit or otherwise.
How are we getting out of here?
By killing everyone in our way.
Works for me.
That's the last Oni Raider.